What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of My First Tricks. Now, these are the first tricks I ever learned, and I'm going to teach it to you. Years and years ago, back whenever I was a young kid, there was a guy that seen that I really liked magic. So, he taught me this trick, and now I'm going to share the secret with you. What you need is a rubber band, 2 different color paper clips, and a $1 bill. It's a very good trick. If you watched the first episode I ever put on of My First Tricks, it's called Chip the Climbing Paperclip. This kind of goes with Chip the Climbing Paperclip, so I hope you enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the acrobatic paperclip. Check this out. We put the rope on the stage here, and look, we add Chip climbs up to this side here, and check this out. Chip's wife Vanessa climbs on this side right here. Now I want you to see this. They're no way connected. Nobody's connected to the rope or anything. What's going to happen here is Chip and Vanessa is going to jump up, do a double flip, catch the rope, and hang. Are you ready? And like that, Chip catches Vanessa. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the acrobatic paperclip. Alright guys, the secret to this trick is very simple. You just stick the rope somewhere on the $1 bill around the middle, or stick the rubber band somewhere around the middle like that. Then you make an S shape with your $1 bill. Now, what you want to do is you want to stick your one paper clip there to there. So, unfolded, it looks like this. And on this side, see, then the rubber band's like right here in the middle. Then the same with this paper clip. Stick it on the inside just like that. And whenever you pull the $1 bill, it's self-working. As you pull, they jump off and everything connects together. It's real self-working. It's easy to do. One more time just to show you. I'll show you without the rubber band that way. The way I actually learned back in the day was without the rubber band. The rubber band came later on. I forget who taught me that. But you make it S with the $1 bill, just like that. Then you go from right here inside the $1 bill to the outside. So it's like that. See, right there, almost at the edge, and right there. Alright, so then the same with this one. You go from the inside of this right here to the outside of that. Of course, you can hear my dogs making noise in the background. They always like doing that. Alright, so and whenever you pull, it's self-working. You can actually watch them clip themselves together, and they jump off, and they're connected. And that's how you do the acrobatic paperclip. I just make up a story like they're in the circus, they're jumping, they're going to do a double flip, stuff like that. It helps with the storyline. If you say a storyline, it always helps with the trick, because it makes them, imagine stuff. And they're imagining these paper clips jumping, doing a double flip, and grabbing the rope just before they fall to the ground. It's a really good trick. Enjoy it. Self-working.